Jacob here with Louisville Cash Real Estate, and we buy houses in Kentucky. So we buy houses all around the state of Kentucky and throughout the majority of Kentucky. So if you have a property that you'd like to sell in Kentucky or land, also commercial buildings or apartment complexes or anything like that is something that we will buy as well. We buy all of our properties as is. Whenever we buy your house, we will also pay all the closing costs and attorney fees, so you never have to worry about that. And if you're moving from one place to another, we can even assist you in that move with helping things to make that easier for you within your selling process, and we'll never ask you to do anything to the house. So if you have a house in Kentucky that you would like to sell, please contact us at 502-461-1450 or visit our website at LouisvilleCashRealEstate.com. Again, that is 502-461-1450 or LouisvilleCashRealEstate.com. And also, if you know anybody that's looking to sell a property, we have an amazing referral program to where if you refer them to us and we end up buying that property from them, at closing, you will get a check for $1,750. Super easy money. All you have to do is recommend somebody to us that is selling and their property is not listed with a realtor. So we look forward to talking to you and buying your house from you that is in Kentucky. And we also do Southern Indiana as well, just to keep that in mind. But anyway, thank you all. Have a blessed day, and we look forward to talking to you and helping you out in the sale of your house.